Alright guys, I did it again. I can't help myself. I got another bike. This one is a project bike, Husaberg. I always wanted a Husaberg. These, they are hard to find. Over in Europe, they're more popular. When I used to live in Greece, I always wanted a Husaberg. And finally, the day has arrived. The price was just right. I got it from Kaplan Cycles. So, with the price of the bike on the auction, taxes, shipping, I didn't even go pick it up. They shipped it to me. Everything, it was only 900 bucks. But again, the bike does not run. It's a project bike. I believe I can get it going. Already you can see it needs some stuff like a brake lever, the sprocket, chain. But for those of you that don't know this brand, this used to be a kick-ass bike back in its day. WP suspension, just like the KTM. KTM used to own Husaberg. They bought them eventually, but Husaberg is not around anymore. So yeah, it does need a few things. Forks are leaking oil, but no biggie. I'm sure those seals are probably the same as KTM, because parts on these are kind of hard to find. So you gotta like use stuff from other bikes or find used stuff. It's Brembo brakes from back then. It's 2002, and for a dirt bike it's in really good condition. Kickstarter on the left side. It also has e-start. Got electric motor right there. It looks like somebody did have a plate, so I'm gonna see if I can register it, get it registered. Of course I'm gonna have to get the bike going first, but it would be cool to have the street legal and go on trails, or even convert it to a supermoto if I want, like have another set of wheels to have it as a supermoto. That would be cool. And the transaction was really smooth. Last Sunday I won the bid on eBay. Monday Ken called me. He thanked me for the purchase, and then we scheduled the bike to be shipped. So that was Monday, and then Tuesday I got the bike. So everything happened like in 2 days. I would definitely do business with them again. But yeah, it's definitely gonna be a project bike. Also, if anybody knows what this is, high-low switch, let me know, because I don't know what that is. It's not the lights are over here, and you can see it has a horn symbol. That's a good indication that I might make this bike street legal. And it has a key, and then it has the lock over here for the steering. I'm telling you, man, if I can get this bike running, and then even more so if I can get a register on top of it, oh man, I'm gonna be king. Now it is a 400, and this is FE. I wasn't sure if it was FC or FE, so this is a FE model. This is the other line from the E. The FC models, they don't have this line here. So this engine supposedly is a 500. They gave me the old engine that came out of the bike, the 400cc. So I have this for parts, which is good. Can always use some things from this engine. You never know, because these parts are kind of hard to come by, but I know that I know what I signed up for. I'm gonna have to be making my own parts, maybe find some used parts. I'll make it work. As long as the engine is good, I think I can get it going. Just like all dirt bikes, it's a tall one. Well, it's not that it's a tall dirt bike, it's that I'm on the short side. And the cool thing, guys, is I have the Swedish motorcycle to go with a Swedish car. And then we have the Japanese car to go with the Japanese bikes. And you know what that means now, right? I gotta get an American motorcycle to go with the truck here now. Man, one guy, he said it. He said he sees me in 5 years, I think he said, to have 20 bikes, and he's not off, you know. He's He's pretty on it. He saw right through me, that guy. So now I got two project bikes. I got the Gixxer, that one runs, but needs a few things, and the Husaberg now. I'm thinking to get the Husaberg running, make sure it's good, and maybe go continue the work on that one afterwards. What do you guys think? Should I do the Husaberg first to get it running? Think that's a good idea, or should I just finish off that one? I gotta do some stuff on the Busa too, some minor stuff. Definitely needs a tire. I needed a tire a few months ago. Now it really needs it. I will leave a link to the video that Kaplan posted for this bike when they were selling it. He explains a little bit better. It's pretty cool because you see it in that video where he shows it, and now it's in my garage. Alright, broskies, that's gonna be it for today. Let me get the ball rolling over here. I can definitely fit a few more bikes, but I won't be able to pass through.